Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use zoom on Lenovo Legion. To use the magnifier, you just need to go to your keyboard and you can click on Windows key and the plus button. It'll turn on the magnifier. Then if you click on that again, it'll magnify further. Click on that again, it'll change the magnification. Now you can click on Windows and minus to make it, as you can see, farther away. If you move your cursor, it'll follow the cursor, so you can move the cursor wherever you want. It'll all follow it. You'll also have this magnifier window opened automatically. Then you can, for example, click on that to
recycle bin,
to read out loud what's selected. So as I click on the Microsoft Edge,
new folder,
you can see it all reads it. And to close the magnifier, just click on Windows and Escape on your keyboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.